Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how you can use NVM or Node Version Manager to automatically switch versions of your Node.js without having to do any complicated stuff. So NVM is an easy way for you to switch Node.js versions. Now, before you begin, you want to have Node.js installed, and you can install this from the official Node.js website. I'm on Mac, so I have the macOS download, but you can install it from here. Now, once you have that, you want to go to this link that has NVM, the tutorial to install it. So basically, you want to go to this link. I'll leave the link to this in the description. And once you get here, what you want to do is go to the installing and updating section. So just click on the install and update script. And once you click that, you'll get two commands here basically. Now, first thing I want to say is that this command will only work on Mac OS or on Linux. So if you're on Windows, you want to use something different called NVM Windows. And this is another version of NVM that you can use on Windows. Now, using this is really simple. Just go to this, and you can install it, and I'll leave the link to this also in the description as well. So anyways, back to our setup. So you want to go to the update, install and update script. What is this? Yeah, so you want to go here, and then you want to use you can use any one of these basically, but I'm just going to use the curl one. If you get an error like curl is not found, you can install it from homebrew. So you can use this command to install curl, and if you get an error that blue is not found, what you can do is go here and you can run this command to install it. I'll leave the links to everything in the description. But basically, on most cases, you will have curl installed. So you just run this command, open up a terminal, paste it in. I'll leave all the commands and links in the description. So I already have NVM installed, so it just says that. But for you, it will install. And once that's done, what you want to do is run this command. And this will export it. Or another thing you can do is also reload your terminal as well. Both work completely fine. And once you do that, you could also run this command as well. And again, you can, instead of running these, you can just reload your terminal. Both of them are pretty much the same. And once that's done, you can just use NVM by typing NVM, and you get the home page basically. And then check my NodeJS version. I'm on v20 right now, but say I really want to switch to v16. Now to use v16 of Node.js, just do node nvm install 16, and this will install Node.js 16, and it will switch it automatically. And it'll also correspond the npm version to go along with it as well. So now you can do node-v again, and now I'm on Node.js 16.